Are you tired of messy spreadsheets that break the moment your team grows, but actual databases feel way too complicated to build? What if you could get the best of both worlds powered by your own AI? Welcome back. Today, we're doing an honest review of Stackby, a no-code platform that claims to combine spreadsheets, relational databases, and AI agents into one seamless workspace. So what actually is Stackby? At its core, it's designed to look and feel like a spreadsheet, making it incredibly easy to get started. But underneath, it operates like a powerful relational database. You can link tables together, use over 30 unique column types, including formulas, checklists, and attachments, and visualize your work in whatever way suits you best. Whether you prefer a classic grid, a Kanban board, a calendar, a timeline, or custom reporting dashboards, Stackby lets you toggle between them instantly. But the real game changer here is how Stackby integrates AI. With their co-builder, you can instantly generate databases and apps just by describing what you need. Even cooler are the AI field agents. Instead of forcing you into a rigid, expensive AI subscription, Stackby lets you bring your own API keys from OpenAI, Gemini, or Anthropic directly into your tables via AI field agents. This means you can run AI prompts directly inside your columns to generate marketing copy, analyze uploaded documents, or conduct live web research right inside your table. Combine that with their built-in workflow automations, like sending Slack notifications or auto-updating rows, and you have a fully automated operations hub. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the flexibility is incredible. The bring your own AI model is brilliant because it keeps you in control of your AI costs. Plus, they offer a free forever plan for up to 5 users with no credit card required, making it incredibly low risk to try. As for the cons, it's important to be transparent. Our external user review data for Stackby is currently limited. While their website highlights a strong 4.8 rating on G2 and trust from over 100,000 companies, we always recommend testing the waters yourself. Additionally, if you are transitioning from a basic traditional spreadsheet, learning how relational databases link together might take a little bit of getting used to at first. So, is Stackby the best no-code database and automation tool for you? If you want an affordable, highly customizable workspace where you can build custom workflows and leverage your own AI models, Stackby is absolutely worth a look. Since they have a free plan for up to 5 users, you can sign up today without putting down a credit card and see if it fits your workflow. What do you think? Are you ready to upgrade your spreadsheets? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.